If you find it difficult to gain and finish hours-long 8 to 10 podcasts per week, please subscribe to most advanced, featured, and accurate quick podcast summaries on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube. You can start with free trial, which lets you listen all of the podcasts, and later, just for the price of candy in most places. Andrew Huberman sat down with Dr. Michael Platt to discuss science and science-based tools for everyday life.
Dr. Platt is a professor of neuroscience and psychology at the University of Pennsylvania, and his laboratory focuses on decision-making, power dynamics, hormones, and valuation. Dr. Platt explained that humans are old-world primates, and we share many similarities with other old-world primates, such as macaque monkeys, in terms of neural circuits. He believes that there's a little monkey in all of us, and that our behavior, cognition, and emotions are similar to those of monkeys. Dr. Platt also mentioned that he's astonished at how deep these similarities go, and that monkeys and humans do the same things in the lab, with the only difference being that humans can talk.
Andrew Huberman asked Dr. Platt to elaborate on what aspects of being human are distinctly different from those of a macaque monkey, aside from language.
Dr. Platt replied that he doesn't think anything is distinctly different, and that humans are not just monkeys with a supercomputer on top of their brains. Instead, he believes that our brains are like a 30-million-year-old Swiss Army knife with specific tools that are similar to those of monkeys. Dr. Platt also mentioned that he teaches a seminar called Being Human, where they tackle aspects of human behavior that are considered unique, but are actually similar to those of monkeys. The conversation then shifted to attention and how we allocate it. Dr. Platt explained that attention is a prioritization or amplification of what we're focusing on, and that it's shaped by what we're looking for and what the world looks like. He mentioned that things that are bright, shiny, moving fast, or loud grab our attention, and that faces and people in the environment are particularly important for primates. Dr. Platt also discussed how we can control our attention to a certain degree, and that it's super important for overcoming challenges in decision-making, learning, and memory. He compared attention to foraging, where our bodies search for resources in the environment, and that attention operates according to the same rules and principles. Dr. Platt's work on decision-making, power dynamics, and hormones has far-reaching implications for our understanding of human behavior and relationships. He explained that our brains are wired to respond to certain stimuli, such as bright colors or loud noises, and that this can influence our decisions and interactions with others. Dr. Platt also discussed the importance of hormones in shaping our behavior and decision-making, and how they can impact our relationships and social interactions. Dr. Platt's work has practical applications in fields such as business, marketing, and education, where understanding how people make decisions and respond to different stimuli can be used to improve outcomes. He also emphasized the importance of recognizing the similarities between humans and other old-world primates, and how this can help us better understand ourselves and our place in the world.
Dr. Platt's conversation with Andrew Huberman was a fascinating exploration of the neural circuits that underlie human behavior and how they are shaped by our evolution as old-world primates. By understanding how our brains work, we can gain insights into our decision-making processes, social interactions, and relationships, and develop strategies to improve our lives and the lives of those around us. If you want to listen to the complete summary, please subscribe to Quick Podcast Summaries on Spotify and Apple Podcasts for less than the price of candy in most places. Happy listening.